Hi everybody, welcome to week 4. I got all of your project proposals. I will take a look at them this week and get you some feedback. Some of you were pretty far along in your initial brainstorm session, so I'm sure that they will be good. This week we're going to be learning about some different pieces of the research process. I guess some of you will know all this already and not need to do the review or study, and others of you hopefully will find this helpful. So here's some information on the annotated bibliography through Purdue's online writing, what's it called? OWL, Online Writing Lab. This is a great resource I use all the time in my own writing. And then here's another video about the annotated bibliography if you like to watch instead of read. Some information about what is plagiarism. By this point, I think you probably all know what it is, but just in case. And then there's a quiz, so a little bit more on plagiarism, and then there's a quiz just to test yourself. Those results don't come to me, those are just for you. And then APA, so again, I use this resource for my own writing because my field writes in APA. And there's the quiz for APA, and then finally your submission for the week asked you to write about what you learned, what you already knew, and to try to identify what do you need to do moving forward to make sure that you're on top of each of these areas. So that's what I have for this week. Let me know if you have any questions. Drop by. I'm happy to have suggestions or feedback. But otherwise, have a good week.